One thing that's happened that's probably advanced our electronics more so this year than anything that has in a while, 𝗲𝗲𝗄𝗍 wiring harness. These units are designed to do a certain thing. If you're not getting enough power, enough wattage, enough voltage, they're not going to perform the way they're supposed to perform. 𝗲𝗲𝗄𝗍 wiring harness fixes that problem. One of the great things about the 𝗲𝗲𝗄𝗍 harness is it doesn't matter what brand of unit you have, it doesn't matter what kind of boat you got. The thing that you want from the 𝗲𝗲𝗄𝗍 harness is power. 𝗲𝗲𝗄𝗍 puts enough voltage to your units to make them maintain the performance that they're supposed to maintain. So if you're not seeing everything like you think you should see it, 𝗲𝗲𝗄𝗍 will show it to you.